Okay, so I'm going to show you how to edit the text and picture on any of these templates that you might get. So you're going to double click here. Let's say we wanted to add, we wanted to say like happy 5th birthday. Then we're going to move that over. We want to make it smaller to fit and stay within the margin so it doesn't look crazy. And you see you're looking for that line down the middle that just lets you know it's centered. And then let's say we want to change the name. Then change your name to Ashley. And then we want to do the picture. So we're going to make sure that this picture is highlighted. I am going to grab my homie girl and pull her over, and she just takes the place of that previous picture. Also keep in mind these things here that stand up in highlights are the only things that you can change. Everything else is standard on the photo or the design. Just these things here will be able to be changed. And that's it.